In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no preview available Google Drive. If you've ever clicked a file in Drive and gotten that unhelpful message, don't worry. By the end, you'll know a few reliable ways to open or access your content quickly. First, open your web browser and search for Google Drive. This is handy if you don't remember the direct address or you're on a new device. In the results, look for the official Google Drive link. It should point to drive.google.com and show it's secure. Clicking the correct link matters because third-party sites or bookmarks to expired sessions can land you on pages where previews fail or permissions don't load properly. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that actually owns or has access to the file. If you have multiple accounts, look at the avatar in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once you're in Drive, give the page a moment to load your files before trying to open anything. Now here's a quick trick that often fixes the preview instantly. Click once on the file to highlight it, then press the P key on your keyboard. That shortcut tells Drive to open the preview viewer directly, even if a double click would usually try to open it in an app or get stuck. You should see the preview window appear. If nothing happens, verify the file is actually selected and try pressing P again. If the file still refuses to preview, use the download option. Previews can fail with very large files, videos that haven't fully processed yet, or formats Google doesn't support. Downloading bypasses Google's processing completely and saves the file to your device, where you can open it with a compatible app. This is the fastest path when you just need the content right now. Another useful move is to open the file in a new window. If clicking the file drops you into a dead-end preview screen that never loads, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right of that viewer and choose Open in New Window. This refreshes the preview environment and often resolves stuck loading states, temporary permission hiccups, or caching issues. That's it. Start in Drive, use the P shortcut to force a preview, download the file if the format or size blocks the viewer, and try Open in New Window when the viewer gets stuck. Follow these steps and you'll get past no preview available with minimal frustration.